Supporting materials are the foundation of an effective speech. They are the evidence and information you use to clarify, support, and strengthen your ideas. Instead of relying only on personal opinions, strong speakers use supporting materials to build well-researched and credible messages. One important type of support is presentation aids. These include visuals like slides, graphs, images, or even physical objects. When used effectively, presentation aids make your message clearer, more engaging, and easier to remember. Another key skill is information literacy. This means knowing how to find, evaluate, and use reliable information. Strong speakers evaluate sources by asking important questions, such as, who created this information? Is it accurate and verifiable? Is it objective? And is it current? In addition to evaluating sources, it is important to use different types of supporting materials. There are three main types: examples, statistics, and testimony. Examples help make ideas more concrete and relatable. Statistics use numbers to show scope or trends, and testimony uses expert knowledge or personal experience to add credibility. Strong speeches often combine these types of support. This is sometimes called layering, where different types of evidence work together to strengthen a single idea. Finally, effective speakers use synthesis. This means combining all supporting materials in a clear and purposeful way, so they align with the goal of the speech. Whether your goal is to inform or persuade, your supporting materials should always be relevant, accurate, and clearly connected to your message. To summarize, supporting materials help transform a speech from opinion into evidence-based communication. By using strong sources, varied types of support, and clear organization, you can create speeches that are more credible, engaging, and effective.